Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can use Shazam on your Snapchat application. So it's really simple. So firstly you'll have to open the Snapchat application on your phone, and from here simply you'll have to select any filter as you wish. So for this video I'll be selecting this filter, and as you can see on the right side of your screen there is an array of options, and from here you'll have to simply tap on the scanner option, which is the last option right here. So tap on the scanner option, and from here the app will scan for any music playing in the background. And when you scroll down you can see the discover a song option. So when you tap on the discover a song option, the app should be able to track if any music is playing in the background or not. So we'll just tap on discover a song and I'll play a song in the background. And as you can see, the app was able to find the music which was playing in the background. So in this way you can use Shazam on your Snapchat application. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any queries then please make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.